Here we come to the main elevators at the University of Arizona Student Union, at the University of Arizona, and Tucson, Arizona. We'll start out by going down. The fixtures are Adobe SurvivorPlus. We got a sick chime on this car. Square cab view. Very nice. GAL interlock. Capacity 3,500 pounds. This is elevator number 5B. We are on 1. I believe these were installed in 2003. Whereas the ones on the east side of the building were installed in 2002. Let's go up to 4 and listen to the motor. We're on 4. Let's go down to 1. The door closes when you push the button. Very nice elevator. Runs pretty well. Hard to hear the motor with the annoying fan. ADA compliant phone bill to the car station. Capacity 3,500 pounds. EPCO SurvivorPlus Vandal resistant fixtures. This is the Student Union Memorial Center. That's the official name of this building. And then we'll set it up and get the other car. I like the indicator. These are not very busy right now. And then we'll let this car go. Well, let's get the other car. Got a red LED on this button here. EPCO SurvivorPlus. Here is the plaque for this artwork here. Very nice. This is a very nice union. I really like the design and the architecture. This one looks, and here we go. We got this one. I wonder if there'll be people in it. Nope. Very similar cab. Also has a GAL interlock. Let's listen to the motor on this one. We also have an annoying fan, unfortunately. We are stopping. Going up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
5. Or 4, I mean.
There is no 5. You have a good rest of your day, sir. Going down?
Yes.
What floor?
2.
Go on the ground floor. the lobby. You have a good day, ma'am. We'll try and get another ride. Here are one. Bike goes out. We'll go up to 4 one more time. And hope we don't get any stops. Let's listen to the motor. No plastic leveling, unfortunately. Just re-leveled. Let's ring the bell. Very nice chime. Let's go down to 2 and we'll end the video there. Very nice cab. Again, capacity 3,500 pounds. This is 5A. We're on 2. Anyways, here it goes. And we'll watch the indicator. And that's going to be it. That's it.